All right, I'm going to slowly pour in my wet ingredient.
This is so easy.
Since I only went today and yesterday, I don't have a lot of stuff, which is good, so I could maybe get this video over in 5 minutes. Spider bite, watch this. My hat actually goes on my head. All the swelling is now down. I only got like 3 pills left. The antibiotic pills. But I still have to keep picking and ripping at my scab in order to get an open orifice to squeeze to get the pus out of my head still. I don't even know if you guys even want to hear that. Sorry if you didn't. Alright, quick. Damaged box, they would only give me 10% off. There was 3 left, so I grabbed them. That weird thing, Alex Lafreniere collection, like, I don't even know what that's about. And I'm like a hockey guy. And I said, I don't want to spend much, so I got 2 packs. So, the Lafreniere thing was $19.98. 2 packs are $2.98. And the Funko's after the discounts were $7.88, $7.50 for the $7.44. I don't know. Looks like $7.88 and $7.50. Don't be afraid to ask for don't be afraid to ask for a discount if the boxes aren't perfect, if you really need one for your sets. Okay. Barista. Hard to pass up a Deadpool. A, he's so funny. B, I think like everybody likes him. I don't know. I mean, there's some people that say he's silly or goofy or whatever. But pre-decorations. They're little roses. There's the other Bram Stoker Dracula. Box on this one's a little messed up too. Count Dracula. Ooh. Really, you scummy piece of shit. Unreal. Can never just do what I want it to do. Like, what are you leaning and falling over for? I don't understand. Chocolate bars. These are the things that I left on the shelf. I know I've shown you already the Darth Vaders and the Iron Mans that I got. I left the Thors and the Captain Americas on the shelf. I got them for $2.46. what I'm talking about. You can't just like be normal and sit there. 2 more. Same thing. $2.46. This thing like retails for like, I think it's like $15 or $16. I'm not sure. How do you go wrong? Another Funko container. Unreal. You push it and tell it to go exactly where you want, and it still fights you. There's a story behind this. I might as well tell it. At 10:13, up in Taylor. Let me tell you what. The girl that was the clerk that was waiting on me, she deserves to be punched in the face for what she did to me. Scumbag. Okay, I went up there. I went in. The girl's like, take anything you want. I'm like, nah, I'll leave stuff for other people. So I took like a mega box. I think I took like, maybe I took 2 mega boxes and 2 Chronicles. I don't remember. Maybe it was 2 footballs. Yeah, that's what it was. 2 prisms. 2 prism footballs. Oh, no. The first time I took 1 mega. The last box of Select. And 2 football prisms. I was like, okay, I'll leave stuff for other people. And the girl's like, sure, I don't care. You buy anything you want. Take as much stuff as you want. There was like, maybe like 6 megas, a whole shitload of those Prism draft picks, but that was the last Select box, so at least I got one of those. And I was like, I didn't want to be a pig. Trying not to be a pig. So, after a while, you went out in the parking lot, and I was like, I went to the Funko place and looking at those. I bought some. I'm like, you know what? She's right. I'll go back. So I go back. The girl that was there just was walking away as I was coming to get mine. So as a new girl comes in. So I'm thinking, shit. Well, so this was at 6 o'clock. So I was like, okay. I'll go in, I'll get 2 of these. It's so messed up. One girl says take anything. This girl says 2 of each thing. The next girl's like, take 5 of anything. So this girl here, I took 5, 2, Chronicle Soccer. So I took 5 things. And she says to me, you can take whatever you want. Just, if you want to take 5 more, go back in line. If you want to take 5 more, go back in line. You get 5 more things. And I was tempted to because there were still 2 more of these mega boxes. And a shitload of Prism and even a soccer pack. wanted them. So I said, you know, this is good enough. I said to the girl, I'm going to go get something to eat. I don't even remember. I was just sitting in the parking lot. I was trying to call my buddies to let them know there was stuff there. And so I went. I went to the Big H. Went to get something to eat. Came back like 5 hours later, 4 hours later, whatever it was. I go in. There's 2 megas left. There's a couple, you know, not many, but there's still like maybe, it's probably less than 10 prison packs. There's still baseball packs. There's soccer packs. So I go in. And I've been waited on by this girl before. Last time I was waited on by her was last weekend, 4 or 5 days ago, whatever it was. And she gave me 2 of anything I wanted. Because I remember taking 2 of those prison packs and 2 soccer packs. And I think 2 blaster boxes of baseball. It was either 2 blasters or 2 hangers, because I know I went 2 different days, and one was 2 hangers and one was 2 blasters. So anyways, she says, what do you want? And I said, I want the 2 big white boxes and the 2 football packs. She gets them. She takes 1 of each, and she comes over. Oh, you're only allowed 1. I said, why does every person have a different? I was sick and tired of it. I said, why does everybody have a different, like a different number that they sell? One guy does only 2 per person. One guy does 1 for each sport. One person does 5 of anything total. One does anything you want. There was a girl that lets you get whatever you want. And I kept saying, why? No, it's all the same. I said, no, it's not. I said, you sold me 2 of everything last week. I bought 6 things off you last week. Oh, no. I said, I remember you better than you'd remember me, because I'm a customer. I'm only here once or twice a week. I said, you won't remember me because you wait on 500 customers a week. I said, trust me, I got 6 things off you. I'm not going to fight with her. I just took my things and I said, because I kept thinking to myself, like, this scum is going to have to make me come back here like 6 in the morning the next day to get them. Like, I want to get them just because she did that. And guess what? After this, I might never shop there again. I'm getting sick and tired of doing this anyways. I have so much stuff. I have so much stuff that it doesn't even matter. I don't even have to shop anymore. Plan on going to Crackle Barrel really early in the morning tomorrow. I'll see what I can get. This is from last week. I think this was from Crackle Barrel. Because I got Score and Chronicles at Crackle Barrel. How could you go wrong with Ray? Can't believe 40, like really? 1440? I'm not going to make another video. There's like one little box here with stuff. I'll do that with the Crackle Barrel stuff for tomorrow in Monticello.